Hey everyone, welcome back into our Wednesday night edition of the Fairbanks Evening News. Mike Schultz with you once again talking about weather. And we got rain today. We needed it in the worst way, so it helps our fire hazard situation be reduced considerably, and it helps the grass and everything else. So it was kind of nice to see that. We're still looking for a good weekend. We'll tell you about that in just a little bit. Our photograph night sent in by Ralph Weesey, and he was a late rainbow near Salsha last night, about 11:40 he said, and he was able to capture this beautiful rainbow here, even a double rainbow as you can see on the outside there. That's a nice shot. And as always, if you have a photograph you want to share, well, by all means send it to photos@ktvf11.com and we'll share it with the rest of the audience. Here's your numbers right now. Today's high 48 degrees, which it is currently. The low last night was 40 degrees. Our record high 86 in 1958, down to freezing in 1931. Sunrise and sunset about 20 hours and 43 minutes of daylight. That's a gain of 6 minutes from yesterday. Here's your satellite and radar. You can see a lot of moisture moving across the state, especially across the Anchorage Bowl and then moving through the passes into the Fairbanks area. And we're looking at a little more southerly flow picking up, which means warmer temperatures returning, and also the moisture will be cutting off, so our shower opportunity will be less than it was today. Now, as far as what's going on across the rest of the state, well, here's what it looks like. As you can see, showers moving across Juneau and Ketchikan. A little rain shower activity around the Anchorage Bowl, 61 degrees there. A little cooler around Kodiak, 51. Cloudy skies along the Aleutian chain. Up and down the west coast, partly cloudy to clear skies. Barrow, cloudy and 30. And Fort Yukon, kind of chilly, 48 degrees. Now, before we go to the national map, I want to show you something that was shared with us today, going across all the Facebooks. And it was our interesting phenomena that doesn't happen very often here, but somebody captured a dust devil on South Cushman last night. This wasn't just your normal dust devil. This was a pretty good sized one, moving along at a pretty good clip, and look how high up it went to the sky. That was pretty impressive. Again, we appreciate all that, and anytime you see something like that, don't be hesitant to send it to our offices here, and we'll be sure and share it with the rest of the audience. Now, speaking of the national forecast, here's what it looks like. As you can see, it's warming up over Seattle, 68 degrees. They're really cooking around Phoenix, 102 degrees. Finally, some showers returning to Southern California. They need that in the worst way for the drought there. It looks like things are drying out across the Central Plains, although there are some storms around the Denver area this evening as we speak. And over the Northeast, a little shower activity too. Now, on the satellite and radar, you can see where everything's kind of coming together. A little bit of activity moving across the eastern side of the country. There's the storms moving over the Denver area, developing in the afternoon and moving across the Central Plains. And out to the west, we finally have some moisture moving ashore in the southwest, bringing some much needed rain to those folks there. All right, back to what's going to be happening in the big scale is a huge hurricane. Hurricane Blanca is expected to be a Category 5 and moving up by Monday of next week to near Cabo San Lucas. So you folks that have residences, timeshares there, you might want to keep an eye on that. This is going to be winds of close to 150 miles an hour when it moves ashore, and over 200 miles an hour, or close to 200 miles an hour, out in the Pacific Ocean. So quite an interesting effect there going on. As far as later on this weekend, you can see the jet stream taking a big dive down to the south. That's good for the showers over the southwest, while hot temperatures return to the central and southern plains. And over the northeast, it looks pretty good too. All right, back to Alaska for tomorrow. The northern sections, partly cloudy skies in Barrow. Lots of sunshine for Nome, and showers are likely in the Fort Yukon area. Here in the interior, we'll have scattered clouds out a little bit. Rain showers for Fairbanks and Healy, mainly it's hit and miss thing, and isolated showers also at Delta Junction. While over southeast Alaska, more rain expected. Periods of rain in Juneau and Ketchikan, and over the southwest part of the state, once again a mixed bag of weather there too. Rain showers at Cold Bay and Bethel, and rain expected in Kodiak. And over the south central sections around the Anchorage Bowl, widespread rain for Anchorage, Homer, and Valdez. Okay, so here's your forecast for the remainder of the night. Looks like there'll be showers off and on throughout the night. 45 degrees for the overnight low. Tomorrow's forecast calling for warmer with more showers possible by afternoon. 67 degrees though, warming up considerably than what it was for today, that's for sure. And as far as the extended forecast, trying to get near that 70-degree mark, but temperatures will be right near 70 degrees all the way through the weekend. And we'll have some showers on Friday, but then Saturday and Sunday don't look too bad. Maybe some showers returning again by Monday and Tuesday. But all in all, not too bad, and it's good to see that rain because, like I said, it really lessens the fire hazard situation going on.